the Iranian regime, or what's left of it, and these radical terrorists are speaking a lot of empty words, but I think their weakened actions speak for themselves and underscore how successful this operation has been just 2 weeks in. We have totally annihilated the Iranian regime's navy. We've wiped out nearly almost all of their ballistic missile threat. In fact, ballistic missile attacks from Iran right now are down 90%. Their drone capabilities are down 95%. We have sunk more than 65 of their naval ships. We've hit more than 6,000 targets across the country, and it's a very big country. And we're going to continue this mission until all of the objectives that President Trump and the Secretary of War have laid out are fully accomplished. And we are totally eradicating this threat of Iran building a nuclear bomb to threaten the world and to attack U.S. troops and personnel in the region with their ballistic missile arsenal. This is a threat that presidents for a very long time have spoken about. President Trump is the first president to actually have the courage to do something about it.